Peace. Just with the brothers. I was a mission and a half to get here, man. I think we've lost about 2 kilos each. All that COVID fat.
Yeah.
All that COVID fat is all burnt.
We put it back on. Sausage rolls. Just,
yeah, man, we're having breakfast now. Taka sausage rolls. Hey, there you go. That's what we do, man. We lose, we gain, we lose, we gain. That was a crazy walk, man. Good spot though. Show ya. Conditions are a bit sketchy, but the ledge is a bit higher. A bit of a foggy day today. Boom spray on the Monday is coming off. A couple of other blokes coming. Hopefully it'll settle down. Low winds. Should be about 1.3, 1.4 swells. Mate, it's going to be just half a day today. Got family obligations the rest of the day. But today, target is kingies. Kingies and bigger kingies. That's it, we'll see how we go. We'll finish up Taka and we'll start cutting lures. Yeah. We always forget.
I'm never coming with you again, bro. Where did you take us, bro? What a mission, man.
How much did you lose? 4 kilos?
Oh, I lost like 4 kilos, easy. Easy. Bro, I stacked it as well.
Huh? Where? Over there?
Yeah.
Wow.
The bag saved me.
Ooh.
Oh,
They
yours aren't broke.
we're gonna be coming here every week to lose all our COVID fat.
That's it.
Ooh. New face mask. So a new name, Deadpool. Oosh.
Dead in the pool.
Dead. Live bait is dead in the pool. Let's see if I can attract some kingies with this face mask. Oosh. Custom handle. The knob. Check it out. Mr. Fillets. He likes big knobs. Look at that.
Easy grip.
Look at the size of that thing. Look at the size of that thing.
You just come to it. Okay.
It's bigger than the reel. Oh man. Any kingies? Oh. Kingies?
Yeah, 130.
Oos.
130 to come in.
137. I'm gonna get deep, bro. New gloves. Yeah. Ooh-yah, look at that. It's a bit choppy, eh?
1.2?
Yeah, meant to be 1.2, 1.3, man. And the wind is low. Jiggy, jiggy. Twin power in action. What's that? 8,000?
8,000.
Ooh. What's the rod?
It's
Ocean Legacy.
Specialist. One car specialist. Not too bad, man.
Ooh.
Very nice.
Alright. Ready.
Ready.
It's ready. It's ready for the season. There's a whole team. There's a whole team of twin power boys. All five. There's 5 of them in our crew that's got twin power already.
Now it's in the tuna.
We got a big tuna, big kingy. Oh, look at that, bro! Look at that! Big cast. All right, Certate, 8,000. Next to the twin power, 8,000. Ooh, ooh. Benji me up, bro.
You're getting it done, bro. Hey, look.
Benji me up. No, I'm on. Yeah.
Get it, mate.
Woo!
Safe.
Safe.
Nice.
Oh, it's a cod. Ooh, what's up, bro? Ooh.
This is a poor man lobster. Rison said.
Catch and cook.
I don't know if he wants
Catch and cook, bro.
I don't know if he wants it or not.
Catch and cook. Ooh. Just the fillet in amongst the wash. That crazy fisherman. Oi! Alright guys, just a quick lesson. When you go to a ledge and you see these black ice, that's the slippery parts. That's the slippery parts. You gotta wear cleats if you see these black, I don't know what you call it, algae. Call it black ice, but if you don't wear cleats, you're gonna be slipping all over the place. So that's why it's very important to wear cleats. All right, team, back on the Kavala. Hey, Zurich Kavala. I think Rolly is on a what are you on? What? Halco Max, yeah?
Yeah.
Which one's a 95? Big one. What do you got on, bro? What's that?
Sardine ball flash booster.
Ooh.
35 bucks.
Ooh.
40
$40. Yeah. The Palms one?
Nah, another one.
Sinking.
Hardcore.
Sinking. Did the hardcore sink? All right. Kavala never fails. Oh yeah! Sambo! Sambo! Oots! Get in here, son! Samba! Yeah! Ouya! Ouya! Kingi! Apa? Wih! Oi! Tembak! Apa? Is! Tembak! Right. That's it, all the fish is gone now. Hey! Hey! Drag, drag! Come on, bro. Are you working up yet? Working up.
No, there. Peace. Oh, I'm gonna 20-pound line. Let's go. Let's try it. Whee! No. Oh. Second Sambo.
Damn. Pilly Tassen. We gotta finish the pillies. Kingy. Oh no! Oh no! Still on.
It's another one.
Did you film it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Another one.
Ooh.
Got a Trevor.
Lock drag on fire. Ooh. Stella. A Stella. Come on, bro. Right, King! Right, Kingy! Get it! That's it! Ooh, yeah. Stella on a pilly for a Kingy. A rat Kingy, look at that.
Easy.
Yeah.
Safely release, boys.
Safely release. Get it in there. Off it goes. Good day, boys.
Good day.
Pumping.
Hard.
Yeah, I think it was Rolly's day today. Rolly, what did you get, bro?
There was quite a few. I think it was salmon, Trevor's. Nice. Number one.
Manis.
Oh,
yeah. And Anwar got a little Kingy, little baby Kingy. Yaka. How about you boys?
Get the break in my Stella.
Back in action?
Back in action after 4 months in lockdown. Glad to be back, bro.
Yeah, bro.
How good is that?
Good location?
Excellent.
Are you going to talk about what you got? No. Oh, man.
Easy.
Yeah, easy. It's an easy walk, so we've got a long walk after this. It's what, 45 minutes?
Easy.
And we'll lose another 5 kilos. Anyway, again, it was a good day. Didn't catch anything massive or anything special, but good to be out. Hopefully we can get more fish and more content. Oosh.